Hey Geek, so I carry this around with me practically everywhere I go, especially when I'm traveling. This is the Waterfly fanny pack or waist bag, and you can use it in many different ways. I use it as a sling and as a waist bag or fanny pack. You can use that as well. However, I find it a lot more comfortable and easy to use when I have it like this. But this is probably one of the most, I would say, overall best value in bags, because you're going to spend less than $30 US, but you're still going to get a lot of features, many pockets, and overall really nice quality for what you are paying. So let me give you a tour of this bag and what it offers and why I carry this around with me practically everywhere that I go. Okay, so here is the Waterfly bag itself. It's a very simple design. And as you could probably see, it has a ton of pockets. But before I get into that, I just want to talk about the overall material and design. The material itself is made of like some water resistant nylon. It is also breathable as well for sweating and stuff. And there's also some padding back here. So I think it is a very comfortable bag overall. And then the buckles themselves, it's really great because it actually comes with two parts, and so this is actually an extension of the buckle. It's really solid. Although it is a little bit big, it does keep things very secure. And the reason why they give you this extension is because you can use this as a fanny pack or waist bag, or you can use it as a shoulder strap or a back shoulder strap, and you can use it in many different ways. I particularly like to use it as a shoulder strap myself. But getting into the pockets itself, so it has a front pocket here, and it's pretty spacious. You know, you can keep stuff like keys and stuff in here, different other accessories. And then on the side, there's actually a little hole right here where if you're actually using earphones, wired earphones, you could actually have the earphones come out, which is what I use it for at times. So here is the main front compartment. It is a very large compartment in my opinion, and at the same time there's multiple smaller pockets. So this one for me is where I keep my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I'm using it right now. And I also have my mini tripod here, plus I have my earphones here as well. And it has like, I think like 1, 2, 3, 4 small pockets here. So this is the main compartment, but then you also have this other one back here where you could put more stuff. I have my phone back here, but there's also another smaller compartment behind it right here where you can put some other things. So, you know, cash, whatever the case might be, you could put it right there. And so I have that over there, and I think it's pretty spacious as well for this back part. And that is basically it. I mean, this is a very simple design, but it works well. And oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. It has a little key latch right here as well, or you know, you can just hook your keys on here, which makes it really easy. And the overall quality of materials, I think it's pretty good. And the zippers themselves, even though they're not YKK, which is my favorite, these are SBS zippers, and they work pretty good. And it's pretty important to have good zippers. You don't want them breaking and stuff like that. But overall, this is a really great design and materials from Waterfly. And at the time of this video, I got it for around $22 US. With shipping and taxes, you're probably looking around at $25 to $27, which is a wonderful value for what you're getting. So some of the potential cons and negatives of this bag are, even though I feel this is a lightweight small bag, it's still not quite as thin and lightweight as some other bags that I have. And so if you want a super thin, lightweight bag, this isn't gonna be it. But at the same time, you are able to carry more things, including bigger things like passports. And then when it comes to features, I think it has an overall good set of features when it comes to pockets, the overall build and quality materials, including things like water resistance and a mesh design. However, it is missing some things that might be important to you, like RFID blocking, so to prevent people from scanning your cards and so forth. But otherwise, I really feel this has very few negatives, potential negatives, versus everything that you're getting for the money that you're paying. So it is an overall great value for what you are getting. And then as I carry this bag around, one of the most important things besides all the features that I have is the comfort. And this is a very comfortable bag. And honestly, as I'm walking around with all my most important things here with me, I really feel like it's not even there at times, you know? I mean, even though it's not like a super lightweight or thin bag, it feels very light And I think that is a great thing, especially if you're going to be going around, traveling, being outside for hours and hours on end. I pretty much have this all day with me, and it is very comfortable. And like I said, even though the straps and buckles are big, they are comfortable and they are secure. So overall, with everything that this bag offers, especially at the price point of, you know, less than $30, you know, starting at $22, it is simply one of the best values, if not the best value that I've seen so far. And I've had other like fanny packs and waist bags and stuff like that, but this one, it's just exceptional, especially for the price, even against more expensive bags. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get this bag, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below.